Mark Cooper, and I am from Pewaukee, Wisconsin. My leg started hurting, and I just thought I was playing too much golf. And come September, October, when I stopped playing, my leg kept hurting. I was taking way too many Advils. It hurt so bad. I could hardly sleep, and I own a machine shop, so concrete floors, and I'm walking the floors and limping around. So I called over here, and I think I got in next day and went in and saw Dr. Kelly. 30 minutes, I think I was in and out, and he said I needed a new hip. Obviously apprehensive the day of the surgery, but I'm going, it's going to be better. Dr. Kelly he's just awesome. He's such a good guy. Outgoing, really great bedside manner, easy to understand in layman's terms about what was going to be done, and very knowledgeable, and I couldn't be happier. He said, you have a good surgery when you don't remember that you had surgery, and I forget that I had my hip replaced. Yeah. That's how good it is. No pain, no stiffness, better range of motion. So it's great. By week 8, I was hitting golf balls and just chipping and putting, and probably by week 10, 11, I started playing again. I believe I've probably walked 200 rounds since the surgery, and no ill effects at all. And like I said, I forget that I got my hip replaced. That's how good it is. Everything that they had talked to me about, what was going to happen, they were dead on. There was no surprises. Everything except, Dr. Kelly was wrong about my handicap. Well, he said it's probably going to go up, so it didn't.